Hello, kaals! Natakaroon diri sa Department of Education Region 10 Office. Hi!
Halo.
Ito na namin dere. As one of the representatives from Iligan City Division, the Alternative Learning System Innovation Expo and Research Launching on Research Journal. Karon nga activity nag-showcasing kini among 14 divisions of Region 10.
Good morning, everyone. The person Dr. Ray Bushman. There are 7 participants headed by the CID chief, which is not around. So I guess Bukidnon is complete. Let's give a big round for Bukidnon. The division of Cagayan de Oro City, headed by their CID chief, Ma'am Jean. Proceed to the division of Camiguin, the island born of fire, headed by their focal person and their CID chief. Now let's proceed to the division of El Salvador City, headed by their CID chief, si Ma'am palang naa. Focal palang naa. Now let's proceed to Hingog City Division, headed by Nanyang focal? Okay, wala. So there's CID Makasarte. Thank you very much, Hingog. Now let's go to the city of Waterfalls, Iligan City, headed by their focal person and CID chief, Sir Ezekiel Brian Aero. Focal person, Sir Agmar Gonzaga. Thank you very much, Iligan. And Bounty, Lanao del Norte. So, si Ma'am palang ang naa. Okay. Chief Sir Ralph, focal person, Misamis Occidental, headed by their CID chief. Let's go to Misamis Oriental Division, headed by their CID chief, Ma'am Seidel, and their focal person, headed by their CID chief, Sir Francis, and focal division, headed by their CID chief, na si Ma'am Anak, the Christmas capital symbol of the South, Tanggol City Division, headed by their CID chief, Ma'am Angelina Boy, the city of Golden Harvest, Valencia City, Among Sirina, headed by their CID chief, Ma'am Esther, and their
Sa ilang mga best practices. Nagpakita kini nga ang ALS program wala gyud na ulahi. Tungod kay ang alternative learning system nag-grow sa tabang usab sa local government unit.
Gamit na ako at sa Manila. Kasi kung diha sa airport, ibili na ko sakyanan.
Be?
gani ang
Hi, welcome
panggitan.
to her vlog.
Alis ako diri sir.
Kanya, ani ko kayo.
O diba, bongga kaayo. Na sila aus si tawag ani? Al Salvador Community Learning Center. Naa sila pa television, din naa sila yung mga books. Ano na sila mga ani. Sana all. So na sila yung mga numbers. Sa Cagayan.
else, but we brag on the opportunity of making collaborations and working side by side with the different entities. For one, we have the Department of Education School Divisions Office of Cagayan de Oro City. Taktak. Yan! Salamat kayo. And we also have, of course, the local government unit of Cagayan de Oro City. It's just simply one manifestation that working together can literally make the difference. In as much as you would like also to have this by ourselves, but for sure we cannot do this. We cannot just materialize the things that we do for the past 90 years. But looking forward with regards to this, hopefully this would instill and inspire other institutions, especially those who are in the private sector, to exert more effort, to augment as well, and be part of the solution that we experience, particularly with our learners, especially to the out-of-school youth and adults. With that being said, I think that would be all. We're looking forward to work with you and trying our very best to manifest with regards to how can we do better. Just to add, just to share as well, no? In Cagayan de Oro, it's not solely about for this school year, for this year and onwards. It will never be with Xavier any longer, but it's going to be the initiative of the city to spread the initiative of the 9th school interventions in partnership with the different higher education institutions.
Pinaagi sa funding-wise and investing a lot of its initiatives. Kini nga activity na display different inspiring stories of resilience and determination at home. Indeed, alternative learning system is not a second-class education but a first-class education offers second chance education by bringing learners back to school.
Turn their skills into sustainable livelihoods. Be your own boss is more than just a program.
Whether it is literacy, numeracy.
Certificate of recognition.
For the presentation of our Mindanao Research Journal, and 3, 2, 1. Amaw na siya. Alright!
Certificate of recognition is awarded to as
And of course, unveiling of the journal cover. Everybody let's count in 3, 2, 1. A round of applause, please.
The presentations and try to learn from their presentations. We have to learn from their experiences and we have to discover from those innovations. There might be some innovations there that will be a solution to your problem in the implementation of ours. There might be some practices there that might be your tool in implementing well the program. We
Thank you, sir.
Chief of the Administrative Office, Attorney Shirley Ochato, and her also award.
Tungod sa alarming rate of dropout after COVID-19, which 6% of dropout learners from the Region 10, which dako siya. So, alternative learning system implementers captured them through innovative strategies of bringing them back. This activity is testament to commitment for continuous learning. That's all for today. See you next.